by the river, the old log hut stands, where Mama and Daddy once dwelt. And the old oak latch that was worn by the hands, and the church where in prayer they knelt. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. All that is past is over, you know, and the future is but a dream. Time and its rapid, remorsefulest plan has furrowed our brows with care, and the icy touch of its withered hand has silvered our locks of hair. Row, row, row your boat gently